Hi everyone, Nemo here. I have an important announcement.
Today I'm pleased to announce our plans to build more temples.
No, it's not that. This Sunday I'm presenting at a workshop on activism, and you should all be there. Many people have participated in what Ahmad Corbitt calls
activism toward the church.
And while this kind of public activism has its place and works to apply public pressure to the church, Cockburn outlines 3 types of people needed for successful change: the visionary communities, the inside players, and the mass movements. Mass movements and protests have their place and are effective, but at this workshop I'll be talking about the visionary communities and the inside players, 2 often overlooked but key groups in effecting change. These groups are effective from an LDS perspective because despite Ahmad Corbitt saying,
For most of this talk, I will address just some of the ways in which ATC, activism toward the church, undermines the doctrine of Christ, in my view, by design.
The arguments made by visionary communities are often based in the doctrine of Christ, particularly Christ's views on honesty and on protecting children.
Whosoever shall offend one of these little ones that believe in me, it is better for him that a millstone were hanged about his neck, and he were cast into the sea.
Ahmad Corbitt even approves of visionary communities, who in Mormonism take the form of individuals like myself and the ladies of 21st century saints, who engage with their priesthood leaders through the church's systems to effect change.
The Lord has made much provision for accomplishing his work. These include making an appointment with local leaders, humbly and lovingly expressing concerns, sharing observations, even lodging formal complaints. Indeed, the Lord's revealed system of sustaining and calming consent invite and encourage such righteous approaches in the face of misconduct.
I'm looking forward to seeing you all on Sunday, and don't worry, I'm not selling you anything, because this workshop is completely free of charge. It's a chance to come together and learn from not just me, but many others like me who are trying to hold the church to the highest standards, particularly when it comes to keeping children safe. And the best bit? Your attendance in and of itself will be a form of activism, because while your attendance will be anonymous, the church will see that there is a strong groundswell of grassroots individuals who care about safeguarding children. I don't care if you're a Strengthening Church Members Committee spy, an ex-mormon, or anything in between. Attendance is anonymous and again, free of charge. So come and join in. You were already going to come and watch my 8 PM video on Sunday anyway, especially if you're a Strengthening Church Members Committee spy, so what's the difference? The link is in the description just below the like button, and I'll see you there.